If you're scheduled to have a total knee replacement surgery in the next 1 to 2 months, and you're searching YouTube right now looking for helpful information to improve the recovery process, I've got something just for you. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist here in Monroe, Ohio. My practice is Total Therapy Solutions, and we have spent the last 20 years trying to provide the best possible patient care experience, specifically for patients who have had a knee replacement. So if you want to come down, check us out, you can give us a call, schedule an appointment. I do recommend all patients, no matter where you are, schedule at least one physical therapy session before you have your knee replacement surgery so that you know what to expect, you know where you're going to go, you know where the parking is and access. But if you're going to come to me, my number is area code 513-539-2886. I'm literally across the street from Clubhouse Bar and Grill. We're off of Cincinnati Dayton Road, just north of 63. If you're not local and you're looking for that information, I told you I had something for you. So you can go check out my YouTube channel, Total Therapy Solutions on YouTube. I've got hundreds and hundreds of YouTube videos recorded answering just about every question imaginable. I want you to have the best access to the best information. And if for some reason you don't see the answer to your question, go ahead and post it in the comments and I'll do my best to create a custom video just for you. I wish you the best and thanks for watching.